Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about one of the most critical aspects of pharmaceutical manufacturing, cleaning validation. This presentation will provide a comprehensive overview of the process, its importance, regulatory requirements, and the challenges associated with it. Let's begin. Introduction. Cleaning validation is an essential process in the pharmaceutical industry. It ensures that residues from previous batches, such as active ingredients, detergents, or microbial contamination, do not carry over to the next batch. Any contamination could compromise product safety, efficacy, and quality, leading to regulatory issues or even patient harm. Therefore, cleaning validation is not just a compliance requirement, but a critical component of quality assurance. Importance of cleaning validation. So, why is cleaning validation important? There are 4 key reasons. First, it prevents cross-contamination between different products manufactured using shared equipment. Second, it ensures product quality by eliminating any unwanted residues. Third, it meets regulatory compliance as required by agencies like the FDA, EMA, and WHO. And finally, it safeguards patient safety by ensuring that medicines are free from harmful contaminants. Without a robust cleaning validation program, companies risk regulatory penalties, product recalls, and damage to their reputation. Regulatory requirements. Now, let's talk about regulations. Cleaning validation is governed by various international regulatory agencies. The most important ones are the US FDA, United States Food and Drug Administration, which provides stringent guidelines on cleaning validation practices. The EMA, European Medicines Agency, which oversees compliance for the European Union. The WHO, World Health Organization, which provides global guidelines, especially for emerging markets. Additionally, compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP, is mandatory for ensuring uniformity and quality across all pharmaceutical products. One of the key regulatory expectations is setting clear acceptance criteria for residues, which brings us to our next topic, cleaning methods. Cleaning methods. There are 3 main approaches to cleaning in the pharmaceutical industry. Manual cleaning. This involves operators using detergents, wipes, and scrubbing tools. While cost-effective, it is prone to human error. Automated cleaning. Machines perform the cleaning process, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of contamination. CIP, clean in place, and COP, clean out of place. These are advanced methods used for cleaning large or complex equipment without disassembling it. The choice of cleaning method depends on the type of equipment, product formulation, and regulatory requirements. Validation process. Cleaning validation is a structured process with 4 major steps. Protocol development. Here, we define how cleaning will be performed and establish acceptance criteria. Sampling and testing. We use swab and rinse methods to detect any remaining residues after cleaning. Establishing acceptance criteria. We set scientifically justified limits for allowable residue levels. Continuous monitoring and revalidation. Cleaning effectiveness is regularly checked to ensure long-term compliance. If any of these steps are not properly followed, there is a risk of contamination and regulatory non-compliance. Challenges and solutions. Despite having a defined process, cleaning validation comes with several challenges. Let's look at some of them. Residue detection can be difficult, especially when dealing with highly potent drugs. Cleaning complex equipment requires specialized methods. Determining the frequency of revalidation can be tricky. So, how do we overcome these challenges? Using advanced analytical methods like HPLC and TOC can improve residue detection. Implementing risk-based approaches can help optimize cleaning validation programs. Regular training of employees and updating SOPs ensures compliance with the latest industry standards. Conclusion. To summarize, cleaning validation is not just about regulatory compliance. It plays a direct role in maintaining product quality and patient safety. A well-designed cleaning validation program prevents cross-contamination, ensures compliance with global regulations, and minimizes risks associated with pharmaceutical manufacturing. By continuously monitoring and improving cleaning practices, we can achieve a robust and reliable manufacturing process. That brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you for your time. I am happy to take any questions now in comments and stay tuned for more informative videos.